welcome back to my channel. This is Dory. I'm a teacher of English, and this video, it's actually the third video on a series of videos that we have started writing the perfect introductions and giving you starting phrases for the different task types, different essay task types that you may come across in IELTS Writing Task 2. We have already talked about present and justify an opinion. We paraphrased and wrote an introduction together step by step. We have also done the same with discussed two sides of an argument and present your opinion if you're asked to do so. You can find both of these links of these two videos in the description box below. And in today's video, we're going to do the same. We're going to write the perfect introduction step by step. I'm going to give you starting phrases that may help you for this specific essay type we're going to do today, which is discuss the causes of a problem or of an issue and its potential solutions or measures that can be taken in order to alleviate the problem. So, are you ready? Come to my screen and let's do this. Okay guys, here we are with essay type number 3, discuss the causes of a problem and suggest solutions, measures and improvements. Let's go and read the sample topic for this type of essay together. Nowadays, an increasing number of men and women are devoting too much time to work and neglecting other areas of their personal and social life. What do you think has caused this situation and what measures can be taken to improve it? It is very hard not to recognize this type of essay because the question usually will be something about the causes and solutions to a problem. So you will instantly recognize this essay type. Let's go and see what we will need for this type of introduction now. I have gathered some phrases, useful phrases. Again, you can pause the video, note them down, take a picture with your phone, whatever works for you. I have the general statements, which you might need according to the topic. You might want to start with something general. And I have given these again in previous videos because for each and every essay type, you might need one of them. But now I also have specific phrases for discuss the causes of a problem and suggest solutions, measures, and improvements. Let's read them. Again, you can pause the video, take a picture. Let's read them together. The problem of the issue is one which has been caused by various factors. Due to various factors is something, the problem of the topic, is experiencing serious problems concerning something else. Lately, there has been an increase in the number of people doing something, in air pollution, whatever. And there are many reasons for this. This has had several negative consequences which must be dealt with as effectively as possible. And you will provide the ways to deal with it in the main body. Although the problem of the issue at stake is a serious one, there are many steps or measures that can be taken to improve the situation. You can choose either steps or measures or whichever other synonym. If you choose steps in your introduction, you might want to use measures later on in your main body in order not to sound repetitive. So this is the reason I'm giving you some alternatives. And don't forget that once you know these phrases really well, you have practiced enough, you can always combine these phrases together. And of course, you can also make combinations with the general statements as well. So let's see the way we can use these phrases with our sample topic over here and also to show you the paraphrasing that we can do. Because firstly, what do we do in our introduction? Nothing new, we just paraphrase the topic and then according to the specific essay type, we use some useful phrases that I have just given you. You can do paraphrasing mainly by using synonyms or even by using the same words and just changing the word order or the syntax. I will show you both in this example. So let's go and do this step by step. Here we have our main topic again, our sample topic. And let's see what I did. So it starts with nowadays. So what I did as a synonym, as a synonymous phrase, I used in this day and age. If you can see here, we have it in our making a general statement expressions. In this day and age, it is common. It also has nowadays, but since the topic itself uses nowadays, I chose to go with in this day and age. So it might be the opposite in another topic that you might find. Keep that in mind. You can make these replacements. So in this day and age, the number of people who dedicate, the number of people who. What did I do here? Here it says an increasing number of men and women. So basically men and women, I just said people, and I kept number the same, and I also kept increasing the same, but I just made it a verb instead of an adjective that it is here. Here we have an increasing number of men and women, but I just took it away and I just said the number of people who, I will tell you about the middle here, is increasing. So I used the same words, but different word order and also different syntax, a little bit different grammar. I changed the adjective into a verb in present continuous form in this case. So you can do that too in paraphrasing. This is the point I want to make. And let's move on to are devoting too much time. I used a synonym for devoting, dedicate. So in this day and age, the number of people who dedicate a significant amount of their time, too much time. So I would say that our choice, a significant amount of their time, is even better because it's a little bit more formal, as you can see. So I did this paraphrasing here with synonyms. So too much time to work and neglecting other areas of the personal and social life. So who dedicate a significant amount of their time to their jobs instead of to work at the expense of, I use this phrase instead of neglecting, other areas of the personal and social life, which I didn't change at all because I have the other changes over here. So you don't necessarily have to paraphrase every single thing, okay? It cannot happen and it will not help you. You will paraphrase as many as you can, as long as you make sense and you stick to the point, to the main point. So let's recap. So far we have, in this day and age, the number of people who dedicate a significant amount of their time to the jobs at the expense of the personal and social life is increasing. I want to tell you that I didn't use difficult vocabulary. I didn't use anything fancy or too advanced. I just used my phrases here. I made some combinations specifically for this as a type that I recognized instantly, and that's it so far. And now where are we going to? This is our question now. This is the question that made us recognize the as a type. What do you think has caused this situation and what measures can be taken to improve it? Again, we're not going to answer the question in the introduction. We're just going to paraphrase this or present it with our expressions. And in this case, I chose from our expressions this phrase over here. There are many reasons for this. You will see it now. I haven't used the beginning. Lately, there has been an increase in because the topic itself had this here, so I didn't need to. Let's see the way we did it. So there are many reasons for this isolation. And although the problem is a serious one, there are many steps or measures that can be taken to improve the situation. So I chose this connecting phrase. There are many reasons for this. And then I used another phrase from our list. Although the problem is a serious one, there are many steps, measures that can be taken to improve the situation. These are handy. You will have them ready. And that's it. My introduction is complete. And if you practice enough with introductions for each specific essay type, and you have at hand a few expressions that you need, your introduction will be ready in no time. All right, that was it for today. Don't stop at watching. Actually start writing and practicing in this way, writing a lot of introductions for different essay types. Until next time, Good luck with your exam.